Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Keap CRM to Zapier for triggers, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Keap CRM to Zapier for triggers, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have a Zapier account, you'll need to create one. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button to create a new automation. Search for Keap using the search bar in the Choose App and Event section. Select Keap from the drop-down menu. Next, choose a trigger event from the list provided. Common triggers include new contact or updated contact. After selecting your desired trigger, click on Sign in to Keap to authorize Zapier to access your account. You'll be prompted to enter your Keap API key. To find your API key, log into your Keap account and navigate to the API section in Settings. Copy the API key and paste it back into the Zapier prompt. Click Yes, Continue to complete the account connection. Once connected, you may need to set up your trigger by selecting the account and any specific settings required. After configuring your trigger, click Test Trigger to ensure it's working properly. Zapier will fetch a sample contact from your Keap account for testing. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Now that your trigger is set up, you can start adding actions. Click on the Do This section to choose an app you want to connect with. You can explore various applications supported by Zapier. Select the app you want to use for your action. Choose the specific action event you want to trigger when the Keap event occurs. Proceed to connect that app just like you did with Keap. Once connected, follow the prompts to customize the action settings. You can map data from Keap to the fields in your chosen app. After setting up the action, click Test and Continue to verify the entire Zap. If everything works, you'll receive a test success message. Finally, turn on your Zap by clicking the toggle switch at the top of the page. Your Keap CRM is now successfully connected to Zapier for triggers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.